welcome back to our channel. Today we will be opening Real Little desktop caddies. It's really new. This is a fridge. Let's get opening. You can see the full effect of this thing. Okay, let's start cutting this thing. Unboxing and the bottom. Let's go. Get opening. Whoa. Oh my gosh. These little packs. When we get through this. And this. Let's open this by cutting this back. First, let's cut it here. If I've months since my last video, we had a new video. Sleigh. Can we get this? Okay, after cutting this, I'm getting out the plastic. See the overall effect of this one. Let's open. Wow. Tape! Let's get this cardboard box. Ice. Ta-da. And then we have a refrigerator. Okay. Now, where's mine? Okay. This is the stuff, the pouch, the notebook, and the pencil set. Let's get opening. I open this and look at this pretty notebook. This is a pencil and this is the pouch. Now let's put the notebook in the pouch. And then with the pencil, getting right here so it looks like it's a straw with some strawberry milk, because that's what the fridge is for. Okay, let's put this away. Time for the mini realms. Let's open it. Mini realms. Let's open. Let's see what we gotta get. A pen. Where's the cap on? Where is it? Ooh, eggs. This is a note sticky note. And while this is an opening jar of a pen, let's put it in our fridge. Where should we put it? Put it here. And next, icicles with pencils underneath. Ooh, ta-da! Let's open this and free them first. Oof, here it is. They're both lollipops. I mean, lollies. So let's stick them here. Okay. They're ice lollies. Oh, now it's fine. Moving on to the next, I guess. Yep, moving on to the next. We're going to put this pouch in first. Going to the direction. It's this here. And there should be the pen. Ta-da! And let's keep on going with this, a sharpener. And it looks like a can of juice though. So let's put it in here for your sharp. Overall sharp. Put it here so the sharp stay there. So you sharpen a pencil, so the sharpener stays here. Time for the 2 sticky notepads. We are gonna put it on top. This is canned yogurt and cheese. Comment if you're lactose intolerant. We found 3 eggs. Ta-da! And we are gonna put the egg here. Writing these 3 hearts. 1, 2, 3. And this place is for opening. For putting pencils. Everything for and don't forget, we have some stickers to decorate our fridge. But I don't want to decorate it yet. Sticker. Sticker number 1, 2, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Comment which sticker pack you like most. Let's put it here, I guess, to decorate it anytime. Oh, it's not fitting on. Oh, never mind. I just put it. Oh, everything's stuck. And lastly, we've got some clips that on watermelon, strawberry, and peach. Comment which fruit you like. I just really love strawberry. We're gonna put it here. We'll put 1, 2, 3. There, I'll have the descriptions of what are those. This is a tape, that's pens, and these are eggy razors. Lastly, last but not least, of course, daily. Maybe a secret passcode, or maybe what you're gonna eat and plans. We can put it on here. Let's put this in the fridge first and use it. Awesome! Now let's see the overall effect of this flavor. First, open, and you'll see the tape dispenser. They erase popsicles with a pencil. And you open this. This is all the sticky notepads, a pen, pouch, and the sharpener. It's easy to put sharpeners in here. And this is where we put the stickers. Also, the clips. Remember to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this and more Roblox videos. Bye!